Hello, I want to talk about poise. When we communicating or presenting, doing a public speaking, we need to have this poise. How to get this poise? To do that, you have to pause when you're talking. You have to finish one idea first, the idea that you want to explain, and then before moving to the second point, make sure you finish it and has a pause after that sentence, and you can start with the next one. Why pausing is important? Because if you speak really fast and you don't have any pauses, what happens is people will find it difficult to catch up with where you are presenting. And also, if you talk fast, you will look nervous. That's simple. If you go really fast, 50 words per second or I don't know, people will find it uncomfortable. It looks like you don't want to be there, and people don't want to hear a person who are talking in front of them, like doesn't want to be there in the first place. That's why it's important to have this pause and make sure that this pauses is not too long. Make sure that it doesn't exceed 4 seconds. If it's exceeding, people also will become uncomfortable and find it hard to understand what you are trying to articulate. And yeah, that's one thing about pause. And also, what pause can help us is it can help to structure what we are going to say next. And other than that, it also help us to remove any filler words that we tend to use, because when you pause, we don't put something like so yeah, something like that. We can remove it altogether when we have this pause. So it's important to use it and to make it easier to practice it. For example, if you write a script for whoever you are going to present, uh, script for public speaking, make sure that you write between the lines, you write pause. And also one thing that you can write as a mental note is breathe, so that you take a breath in before you start speaking. Because also one thing about speaking, we want to speak on the exhale. If you speak on the inhale, it cannot be happening. So that's important. Make sure you inhale and release your breath as you speak steadily. Don't do it too fast. And yeah, just remove it and just inhale as usual. If you exhale good, exhale well, the inhale will take care of itself. And yeah, that's good. Yeah, get back to the topic that I've talked about. To be poised, you have to use the pause. Pause is really powerful tools that you can add in your arsenal. Thanks.